Hello everybody. Today's video is very special because in today's video I am going to tell you about the inmates of Amar Ghar. It is an old age home where the old people live between the age of you can say 50 to the highest age, you can say 80 plus. Okay, so last year I visited Amar Ghar to celebrate my birthday with them. It was a very wonderful experience, and this experience I shall always cherish in my life. I went with my parents, with my niece, my family members, and even my old age parents. My father is 87, my mother is 75, so even they felt very nice interacting with these senior citizens. I went with some foodstuffs, and I had enough time with me. I was prepared that I will not be in a hurry to leave that place. I'm going to spend a lot of time with them. So we first went to Amar Ghar, which is located in Pathar Quarry in Narangi, and then we met the office person who made us comfortable, and after that he took us around to the different rooms of Amar Ghar. And here these people they even share the rooms, and even they can also stay in their individual room. And we gave sufficient time. We visited each and every room. It's not possible for these people to come down and interact with us. So there are about 3 floors. In the ground floor is the office and some rooms, and then in the first floor most of the people they live in the first floor, and then the second floor. So it's not possible for these senior citizens to come down all together to meet us. So we personally went to their rooms to meet them. Each had a wonderful thing to share with us. They in fact wanted that we spend more time with them, but it's not possible, because we have only the day left with us, and then we had to visit all the rooms. So never mind, we tried to give them most of the time. And they also showed a lot of warmth, and they felt very good, okay, interacting with us. And each had so much to share with us. We also made them laugh. We also shared many things with us. My parents also interacted with them. They made us comfortable. They made us sit in the room. And some of these inmates are very well off and left by the children. Maybe some of the children live somewhere abroad, and they do not even bother to inquire about these people. So it's very pathetic, very sad that these people who once upon a time had a very comfortable life, who led a very good life, today they are staying in an old age home. Okay, so that's very sad, away from the children, away from their near and dear ones. And hardly these people they visit. Maybe they make some phone calls. This is what they share with us. So it's really very sad. And some people are also suffering from various kind of ailments, old age ailments. So this is how we spend the day. And there are equal number of male and female there. That is, it's not that it is only the ladies who stay there. It is shared by both men and women, senior citizens. And then we spent the day there. It was a really a very great experience. And after that it was time for them to have the lunch and take rest. So we didn't want to stay for longer and trouble them, because they also need rest after lunch. So that day they had fish for lunch, So they had the lunch. We click a lot of photographs which I'm sharing with you in this video. My request to you all is that if you get some time from your busy schedule, I know people are very busy these days, but then if you get some time from your busy schedule, please do visit these people, because that really matters to them. It may not matter to us, but it really matters to them, because they feel special. They feel that there are people with whom they can share their feelings. They feel special, they feel loved if you all visit. So do it, please do visit whenever you get some time, and that's my request. And it's always nice to make someone happy. That gives us immense pleasure. So in future, whenever I get time, I shall again try to visit them. So here are a few pictures of my visit. Hope you like it. Thank you.